Let us discuss this example of partial derivative. We have a function of xyz and we have to find its derivative with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z. So let us start to find its derivative with respect to x first. So consider, I am directly considering, consider deva f by deva x. That means I am going to find its derivative with respect to x. The function is x cube plus y plus z upon 3x square plus xyz. So you know that when we take derivative, okay, see if addition subtraction are there, we take separate derivative. We have a addition subtraction but not, okay, like separate we cannot take because there is a division first. So that means here in numerator you can see there is x, in denominator also there is x. So we have to use u upon v formula to find its derivative. You remember that formula? Okay, the formula is denominator, that means 3x square plus xyz into derivative of numerator x cube plus y plus z minus numerator, okay, into derivative of denominator 3x square plus xyz divided by square of denominators 3x square plus xyz. Here I have used that formula which you already studied in 12th standard, u upon v formula. Okay, so let us find derivatives now. So this is 3x square plus xyz. See, now I am going to find derivative directly. Okay, since now the problems are becoming more and more complicated, so we should also able to find its derivative directly. Okay, so when you find its derivative, you can easily say addition is there. That means we have to take separate derivatives, correct? Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of y is 0. Since we are finding derivative with respect to x and there is no any x, so y is a constant, derivative will be 0. Plus similarly z is also constant, derivative is 0 since we are finding derivative with respect to x. Minus x cube plus y plus z. If you think about it, 3x square, 3 is constant, no need to think about it. 3 will be as it is. What is derivative of x square? It is 2x. Plus here also I am taking separate derivative, and since addition is there, derivative 3 is constant, derivative of x square is 2x. Here y and z are constants. Okay, no need to think about it. So derivative of x is 1 into yz. So these are constant. When you take derivative, actually they come outside and simply we take derivative of x. So I am doing it directly. So that's why I could write it. Divided by c. No need to find its derivative. 3x square plus xyz bracket square of bracket square. Since in that formula u upon v, at bottom we have square of denominator, that's why. This is equal to, let us simplify it, 3x square only we have got 3x square, and this is 3x square plus xyz minus x cube plus y plus z, and here 6x plus yz whole divided by 3x square plus xyz whole square. Okay, so this thing we have. If you simplify it further, we'll not get any great thing. We will have simply few numbers, but you can keep as it is also. Okay, so in this way we calculated deva by deva x. So after that I will go for deva by deva y. But before that I suggest you to make screenshot of this one. Okay, so let us find derivative with respect to y now. Okay, same function we have. See, in numerator we have a y. In denominator also we have function y. So that's why again we have to use u upon v formula. So that formula says this is equal to denominator 3x square plus xyz into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator whole divided by whole divided by 3x square plus xyz bracket square. Okay, divided by that bracket square. So this is equal to, so let us start to find derivatives. So 3x square plus xyz. See, addition is there. You can take separate derivatives. Okay, I will find directly since problem is already complicated. We are finding derivative with respect to y. What is derivative of x cube? 0. Since x is and every function of x is constant, we are finding derivative with respect to y. What is derivative of y? 1. What is derivative of z? 0. Getting, since it is a constant. Minus x cube plus y plus z. What is derivative of 3x square? 0, since we are finding derivative with respect to y. Plus addition is there, that's why I'm taking separate derivatives. Okay, derivative of, see, we are finding its derivative with respect to y. So x and z are constant, don't look at them, you have to focus only on y. X and z are constant, those will be simply copy paste. Derivative of y is 1, getting into 1 since multiplication is there, whole divided by 3x square plus xyz bracket square. So this is equal to 3x square plus xyz. This is 1 simply minus, sorry, this is x cube plus y plus z, and here we will have xz divided by, okay, I think we can simplify it further. So let us try what we'll get. We will be happy if few terms will get cancelled. If you multiply it by 1, we will have same 3x square plus xyz. Okay. See, minus, I will take product. Okay. So minus x raised to 4 z minus x, y, z. I am simply taking product. Z into this one minus xz square. See, I am writing minus because there is minus sign outside. Now, so minus plus minus we will have divided by 3x square plus xyz bracket square. Tell me, can cancel any terms? Yes, xyz and minus xyz will be cancelled to each other. So that's why 3x square minus x raised to 4z minus xz square whole divided by 3x square plus xyz bracket square. So this is the required answer. Getting? So in this way we calculated del y by del y. After that we will go for del y by del z. Okay. Let us find derivative with respect to z. So again, in numerator we have a z, denominator also we have z. So I will apply u upon v formula, same formula. Getting? So denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Okay, whole divided by 3x square plus xyz bracket square. Okay, so let us find derivatives now. So 3x square plus xyz, addition is there, we can take separate derivatives. Derivative of x cube is 0 since we are finding derivative with respect to z. Derivative of y is 0, derivative of z is 1. Okay, minus x cube plus y plus z. I am finding its derivative with respect to z. So 3x square is constant since we are finding derivative with respect to z. So its derivative will be 0. Here there is a product, but x and y are constant. So what did I tell you? We have to focus only on z. Don't consider x and y since these are constants. So derivative of z is 1 into 1 whole divided by 3x square plus xyz bracket square. See, let us simplify. If you multiply it by 1 is there now, so we will have a same bracket 3x square plus xyz. What will happen there? only xy is there, na? Xy into 1, xy you know. So xy into, let us multiply. So minus x raised to 4y, x raised to 4y, correct. Minus xy square minus xyz. Are there any chances of cancelling any term? Yeah. We can cancel, right? xyz and minus xyz will get cancelled to each other. So I will write here the final answer. Final answer will be 3x square, correct? And minus x raised to 4y minus xy square whole divided by 3x square, correct? Plus xyz bracket square. xyz bracket square. So in this way we finish the example. You can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.